Hello everyone, my name is Simu. I'm a computer science student in City University Malaysia, and today I'm going to make a presentation for AI and its application final project. As you can see in the slide, it is a SafeHer AI solution, which is for women's safety and crime prevention assistant. It is a proactive protection and will provide a real-time response. In defining SafeHer AI, the primary target is on the safety of women and employees that take night shifts and those who work at logistic companies. SafeHer AI is a proactive AI-powered platform that automatically detects threats and initiates an emergency response. It is also integrated with various AI technologies like computer vision and NLP, natural language processing, and machine learning to create a comprehensive safety solution. The platform is available from mobile applications and also can use the optional wearable device with features like silent SOS and real-time tracking. So why it is matter right now? Well, our life is limited with fears in daily routine, and we are doing this solution for the safety and the freedom of movement. Currently, Malaysia, women and employees working at night shifts are often seen unsafe in public transport and downtown area, and also isolated places. In 2025 Industrial Malaysia Survey, it indicates that women's workers are often encountered unsafe and unhealthy workplace conditions, including chemical exposure and gender-based harassment, and they frequently struggle to report those accidents immediately. Well, there are also current safety SOS solutions. Why we need SafeHer AI? Well, because there are problems and challenges in those tools. Plus, they need a manual activation. So imagine if you encounter some difficult situations in real life, you cannot move anything. Your body is freeze, so it is hard to make a manual activation. Moreover, there are also delayed emergency response, and it also have no preventive features, only reactives, so it cannot prevent you from happening the case. It will only react when it's happened. And also the system will also fail at critical moments, so you cannot rely on the software for your safety, and there are some downtowns in the system. Well, unlike those softwares, our solution directly addresses those challenges by combining a mobile app with optional wearable device that will automatically detect threat without any user action. Using AI-driven solution, the system will proactively recognize the risks and send an instant alert and recommend a safe route by turning the safety into real-life preventive solution instead of a reactive one. Now we're going to make a competitor analysis for our SafeHer AI solution. There are 3 AI main common solutions in real life, which is My Stress and Be Safe and Watch Over Me. Well, My Stress have the strength like direct police integrations and emergency location alert, but it have weakness and regional limitations and need manual activation. So we cannot use that software in every region, and also gonna need a manual activations. Plus, there's no proactive detections and no evidence capture. So if the case happens, they will not capture the evidence and will not prevent you from happening the case. For Be Safe solution, it have a feature set and have a voice and SOS tool, and also have multimedia support. But it have weakness and reactive and require user activation. It also has subscription barrier and lack of AI predictive capabilities. The final one is Watch Over Me. Its advantages is the user can shake or press the solutions to trigger emergency alert. But as a disadvantages is rely on contract and individual use only, with limited and free feature. These are the technologies that is enabled in SafeHer AI, which is computer vision, voice recognition and NLP, which is natural language processing, and machine learning. And we also use GPS and IoT geofencing. These are also a core features of SafeHer AI. It is silent SOS. It will provide the user with discrete SOS and quick activation. We also have a threat detection, which is the AI-powered automatic threat detection. We will also recommend the user with safe route and smarter and safer route guidance. Plus, we also have a danger map, which is a community-driven real-time danger map for risk zone. As a final, we also provide the evidence capture feature, which is the instant evidence capture and secure storage. Well, with the technology we have and features, I'm gonna explain the details of how those features and technologies are worked together in this SafeHer AI solution. SafeHer AI solution will continuously monitor the environment through the user phone or wearable using the camera, microphone, and GPS. Its AI analyzes the behavior pattern around the surrounding to detect the risks such as aggressive movement and scream or entering into high crime zones. Once unusual activity is detected, the system will act instantly and sending the silent alert to a contract or authority. Also, it's going to share a live videos and audio for real-time response and secretly uploading the evidence to the cloud. It also provides proactive warning and safe route recommendations, protecting women before, during, and after the critical moment. For our SafeHer AI solution, it has mainly targeted on two types, which is B2C and B2B. B2C is an individual user, and for the woman who is aged around 15 to 45, those who are students, commuters, and night shift workers are also the parent. Those have the daily exposure to go to unsafe conditions, isolated part, and late travel. Though there are also B2B and institution and business target, and we're gonna target on the university, ride-hailing companies, logistic provider, and corporations that need safety solution and CSR credibility. Market opportunity. Why this is the right time? Well, rising public concern over women's safety in Malaysia has been created strong demand for reliable and tech-driven protection. With smartphone penetration above 90% and the growing use of wearables, the market is ready for scalable AI-based safety solution. Government initiative, NGO partnership, and CSR commitment for business align perfectly with SafeHer AI missions and making it adaptable to be more feasibility and impactful. This is the implementation roadmap for SafeHer AI solution. It is divided into 4 phases. The phase 1 is research and data. We will gonna take around 4 to 5 months to make a data set, an NGO and university data, partnerships, safety insights, and ethicals and privacy framework. For the phase 2, we're gonna make a core AI development, which we're gonna take around 3 to 4 months. We're gonna train the ML model, voice distress, visions, aggression detections, geofences, and predictive safety alert. For the first D, which is prototyping and beta testing, we're gonna take around 3 to 4 months. We'll make a mobile app, wearable integrations, plot testing with students and driver, and we're gonna make a performance and feedback collection. For the final phase 4, we're gonna launch and scaling for around 4 to 5 months. We're gonna make a multilingual app release and with the secure cloud support, premium B2C cloud, and B2B contract with institution. In order to make up implementation, we also have to consider the resource and ethical analysis. For the resources, we need a diverse team for AI engineer, application developer, UI UX designer, and business partnership with the project manager. We're also going to need a cloud platform with the encrypted database for user safety and public dataset. We're also going to need an NGO and government import data. Then we have to consider the ethical commitment. We have to consider the data privacy and user control, fair AIs to provide a diverse voice and languages, minimize false alarm, and we have to collaborate with NGOs and community. Now we're gonna make a financial plan and cost breakdown for year 1. Year 1 will cost around 140,000 ringgit for investment. For development stage, it will cost around 70,000 ringgit for AI model, mobile app, and wearable prototype. For marketing, it will cost around 35,000 ringgit for awareness campaign, NGO, and campus partnership. For operation, we're gonna cost around 21,000 ringgit for hosting, customer support, and security compliance. For contingency, we're gonna cost around 40,000 ringgit for safety margin for risks and technical challenges. Now let's look at the growth of our AI solution. As you can see from the first bar, the year 1 serves as our baseline. The pale purple segment on the top represents our cost, while the purple darker shade in the bottom show our total revenue for the year. The difference between these two is our profit. Moving to year 2, you can observe a significant increase in both our revenue and cost, indicating our expansion efforts are taking on hold. Our revenue has grown at a faster rate than our cost, which is very positive sign. Finally, looking at year 3, we project a continuous for this upward trend. We anticipate a strong, substantial increase in revenue, which will allow us to achieve a much larger profit margin. We have also created a non-functional website prototype for SafeHer AI. It is designed for both website and mobile access to demonstrate the problem concept, problem, solutions, and its impact. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video.